So in this video, I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Redmi Buds 6. So begin by placing the buds back in their case. And then once they've been placed back in the case, don't bother closing it. So from here, just press on the side button until this indicator light starts flashing quickly. So you'll be pressing for close to 10 seconds. So let's start pressing. So start the countdown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you'll notice it's already flashing. 7, 8, 9, 10. So once it stops flashing quickly, then now your Redmi Buds 6 have been successfully reset. So now you can retry connecting to your phone if you had any issues previously. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.